Today we're going to talk about the need and benefits of professional dog training. An article from Tufts University reports that according to the 2023-2024 American Pet Products Association National Pet Owner Survey, 65 million households in the U.S. own a dog. So it's a good chance that if you don't own a dog, you know someone who does. Your friends, family, coworkers, neighbors. I am a lifelong dog owner and lover, as well as certified veterinary technician. I have seen the many advantages firsthand of having your dog in professional training, as well as the many disadvantages of not. Participating in a training program with a reputable dog trainer will help keep your dog safe, teach you to better communicate with your dog, and to improve quality of life. As I'm sure you can agree, as pet parents, it is our responsibility to keep our dogs safe, as well as the people around them safe. Training your dog will give you tools to accomplish this. Let's go over some common commands and when they may come into play in real life situations. Teaching your dog to sit and stay can prevent them from running out an open door, or if you accidentally drop the leash while out for a walk. Or the worst case scenario, stopping them from running out into a busy road. You can use the command for leave it when there's something you do not want your dog putting in its mouth or digesting. What if you drop medication on the floor or food that is toxic? What if your dog is about to chew your kid's favorite toy? Out in public, this also comes in handy if there's another animal you need to avoid, like an unfriendly dog or wildlife. Learning how to walk on a loose leash is equally important for both your dog and you as the owner. Over time, a dog can cause damage to the delicate tissues in the throat by constantly pulling on a leash. And a dog that's pulling runs the risk of pulling you over, resulting in a bruised owner and a runaway dog. A professional dog trainer can help with more serious behavioral issues as well. They can address separation anxiety, resource guarding, like food or toy aggression, and fearfulness. Usually this kind of training is done on a one-on-one basis rather than in a group class. Solving these problems will increase the quality of life for your dog and for the humans in its life. Your house will be less stressful without these behaviors causing tension or worrying about a possible dog bite. A trainer can also suggest specific positive outlets you can use to redirect negative behavior. For instance, if your dog digs up your yard, make a sandbox for your dog, and with positive reinforcement, they will learn that that is where they are allowed to dig. Another great example are herding balls. These are just oversized, light rubber balls that you can use if you have a herding breed like a Border Collie or Australian Shepherd that have strong herd drives. You just toss the ball in the yard and the dog can chase it or herd it since the ball is actually too big for it to put in its mouth. In your training classes with the instructor, they will give you strategies and cues to use to better communicate with your dog. Yes, there's a normal sit, stay, down, but there's much more to it. Your dog can read your body language, mood, and understand your tone of voice. I recently learned that even which foot you use to take your first step means something to your dog. And there's a difference when you're turning your shoulders that it will turn your dog either to the left or to the right. If you walk confidently by something that will make your dog nervous, they are more likely to be confident and even ignore it altogether. The tone of your voice when you speak is meaningful too. Just like with people, if you really mean something, your tone needs to match. Like when you want your dog to leave it. The same goes for praise. You want your voice to be light and happy. It's important not to get frustrated with your dog in training because they can sense that and follow your lead. It's better to take a break, try again tomorrow. Spending this time with your dog will also teach you about your dog's personality. Sometimes they work harder for one type of treat or toy over another. They train better at certain times of the day, or what their attention span is like. There's other aspects of training that give you and your dog fun activities to do that are both mentally and physically stimulating. Depending on your dog's personality, you can go on to do agility, scent work, therapy dog training, and many other styles of training. These can be done recreationally, but there's also clubs you can join and compete with your dog in the more sport-related activities. What better way to spend your weekends than winning awards with your best friend? Having a well-mannered dog that you can clearly communicate with will make it easier and more enjoyable to do the everyday activities like walking and playing in the yard, hence giving you and your dog a healthier and less stressful lifestyle. It's a well-known fact that an active lifestyle has numerous health benefits. The same is true for our canine companions. For dogs of any age, regular physical exercise holds many of the same benefits it does for people. Just to name a few: better cardiovascular health, you maintain better muscle tone and bone strength, you prevent soft tissue injuries, you have better digestion, and you maintain a healthier weight. The American Kennel Club recommends walking at least 150 minutes a week. Of course, you want to do this safely and build up your dog's strength if they're out of shape or if they're a senior citizen. They have even instituted the AKC Fit Dog Club, where you can earn magnets for submitting a record of your walk and reaching different lengths of time depending on the life stage of your dog. It's a great incentive program. Our mental health is also affected by our lifestyle. Getting outside and moving helps reduce stress and anxiety, and more activity can also improve the quality of your sleep. The American Kennel Club recently reported on a study that showed the exercise causes the release of a protein in the brain that results in the growth of new brain cells in dogs. It also reports that exercise increases the blood flow to the brain. This can lead to better cognitive function in older dogs. Another study done at the University of Washington studied 15,000 dogs. The dogs that were inactive and held more sedentary lifestyles were 6.5 times more likely to develop cognitive dysfunction or doggy dementia. So to recap, as you can see, the benefits of participating in a dog training program with your dog are endless. Keeping your dog fit and in an active lifestyle can greatly improve both the quality of life and the lifespan of your dog. As pet parents, it is our responsibility to protect our dogs to the best of our ability and to set them up to lead a comfortable lifestyle. We also need to ensure that our dog is safe for others to be around and to set boundaries where needed. You never know when someone could leave a door or gate open and your dog can see a chance to run for it. Participating in a training program could save your dog's life, even if it's just to learn to sit and stay.